This box is really big. I want to hide in the box too.
Today, Peppa and Mummy Pig have come to Miss Rabbit's yoga class.
Namaste, everyone!
Zoe Zebra is with her daddy today.
Hello, friends, and welcome. Today we're learning the letters X, Y, and Z. We'll listen for their sounds and see Peppa and her friends in fun clips. Are you ready to learn and clap along? Then let's get started. Here is the letter X. The letter X makes the X sound, like in the word box. Let's listen to Peppa talk about her secret box. And every time you hear the X sound, clap your hands.
Found you!
Peppa and her friends are playing hide and seek in the garden.
Gotcha, Susie! This box is really big. I want to hide in the box too. Daddy, look what we found.
Ah, Mr. Bull's coming to take that box to the recycling centre.
Aww.
But you can play in it until then. I'll just find somewhere to put these.
I know. Let's turn the box into a castle. Yay!
Peppa and her friends are busy making a cardboard castle.
Hello. Here's the door. And lots of lovely flowers. And a tower for dragon searching. Ah! Here comes one now.
Mr. Bull has come to take the box to the recycling centre.
Who is it?
Here is the letter Y. The letter Y makes the y sound, like in the word yoga. Let's watch Peppa and Mummy Pig doing yoga. And every time you hear the y sound, clap your hands.
Whoops, sorry, everyone!
Today, Peppa and Mummy Pig have come to Miss Rabbit's yoga class.
Namaste, everyone!
Namaste is how you say hello in a yoga class.
Please take off your shoes and find a mat. Does anyone know what yoga is?
Is it where you balance on one leg? Or when you bend into funny shapes?
Almost. Yoga is a fun kind of exercise that helps you feel zen, which means relax.
Oh, we'd like to be zen. Please?
Let's start with some breathing. Everyone close your eyes and breathe in slowly through your nose. 1, 2, 3, and out through your mouths. 1, 2, 3.
Everyone is finding breathing
1,
very
2,
relaxing.
3.
But Emily and her mummy's trunks
1,
are
2,
making little
3.
whistle
Here's the
sounds.
letter Z. The letter Z makes the z sound, like in the word Zoe and zebra. Let's watch for Zoe Zebra in this next clip. And every time you hear the Z sound, clap your hands.
Zoe Zebra is with her daddy today. She has her own letters to deliver.
Danny Dog, Susie Sheep, Rebecca Rabbit. Ah, Peppa and George. Just these ones left.
It's for Peppa and George.
Wow! A letter for George and me.
Please come to my birthday party. Love, Zoe Zebra.
Zoe Zebra has invited Peppa and George to her birthday party.
Yippee!
What would you like to say?
Dear Zoe.
Dear Zoe.
I don't know what to say next.
How about, we would love to come to your party. Kind regards, Peppa and George.
What colour envelope shall we use?
The red one.
Miss Zoe Zebra.
And last of all, the stamp.
The letter is ready to be posted. This is the post box.
Let's review our words and sounds. X, box, y, yoga, z, Zoe Zebra. Great job today, friends. We learned the sounds for X, Y, and Z. Keep practicing your English, and thank you for learning with Chatterbox and Peppa. See you next time. Bye.